everyone, this is Trackmaster here. In this video, this is a short unboxing of Percy. I'll show you the package of Percy. Here's the front, side, the other side, the bottom, the top, and the back. It shows you other Thomas trains are available to buy. Thomas, I got that one. Bash, I get that one. Red Rosie, I get that one. So let's unbox Percy, shall we? Hey guys, I'm back. I just unboxed Percy. I will show you Percy. Here's Percy. His buffers are wet, but I can detail the buffers. So here's the front, side, the bottom, the other side has number 6, the top, and the back. I do the detail of the back of the buffer along with this one. Well guys, that's it with the unboxing Percy. Hope you guys watch this video and like my videos, and we'll see you in the next video.